Hello, welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your journey into the real world AI future. And this episode is brought to you by CloudWars Expo, running June 28th through 30th at Moscone Center in San Francisco, California, where I'll be leading tracks and sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of CloudWars, and the rest of my acceleration economy analyst colleagues. Go to cloudwarsexpo.com to learn more and join me there.
To compete in the acceleration economy, business leaders need to optimize their digital future. This demands a reimagination of business models that are enabled by the cloud, empowered by AI, and optimized by human ingenuity, with a goal to dazzle customers and employees.
Our global languages have had a long history winding through millennia, morphing, adapting, blending, and sometimes even dying. Throughout this history, words have had and still have a powerful impact on people in many different ways. And then words used decades ago are now taboo in society for multiple different reasons. Now, the roots of all languages have some basic fundamental ingredients, which are variation, inheritance, selection, and time. Now, variation takes the form of words, pronunciation, and grammatical structures, and may have come about as a result of human invention. Linguistic variation, on the other hand, is inherited through learning. It's almost like this thing that children pick up when they're learning traits from their parents, for example, or others around them in their immediate family and community. Additionally, as selection acts on organisms, individuals with particular traits are more likely to successfully reproduce than others, as a core concept of biology. But words can fade as they're no longer relevant. For example, today, words like blog and bandwidth more likely to be used than a word like calash, which is the folding hood of a horse-drawn buggy. So over time, both biological and linguistic evolution can produce major changes as cultures collide or people groups move from one area to another. All right, why this brief history lesson in language? Well, the current struggle right now for those analyzing language using artificial intelligence is that there's these important areas that need to be addressed, such as inclusivity, ethics, bias, and more. And this creates huge challenges for everyone involved in building models for AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. Now, this isn't my take on societal impacts on words, but really just calling attention to the quick entanglement that's facing people with the future of AI. For example, certain words are offensive to some and not others in a broader context, while others carry a certain meaning to a very limited number of people due to personal circumstances. Further, some words have just gone out of fashion, like I alluded to just a moment ago, and other new words are being created all the time. If we think about it, much of this is due to the pervasive nature of social media. Additionally, the growth of technology has created new words that need to be accounted for example. So what does this all mean? Well, it means that the constructs of AI should be a continual evolution that really has a core foundation in transparency, which feeds into the explainability, and that continues to promote the uniqueness of humans. Because after all, us humans are the ones influencing the technology and what is the output of that technology. And so artificial intelligence is really that. It's just artificial right now, and it's just almost a poor copy of our human intelligence. Yes, AI is getting smarter and smarter, but it still needs to account for all the variations and the special uniqueness that we human beings bring to the world. Because remember, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you.